Alright folks, this is a quick video of how this reverse camera from China that you would normally get. It's not that difficult, but definitely difficult if you don't know or if there's no really proper instructions. But anyway, there's two cables, one cable's coming from here, and that's feeding all the way to the climate control section here. Apology, this is a done by a phone, and I'm not really a YouTuber, but basically it's a piggyback. This here is actually the original cable that was plugged into here. So now it's plugged into here, and it piggybacks all the way to the box. And I think I don't know what it does really, but there's another cable, the LVDS, and that actually is connected all the way to the screen here. Good news is for the Audi Q5 you can actually change the screen for touch screen and do Android and all that other stuff. And again, same as the climate control. That's a bit hot. Oh, that's better. The original cable or original plug was all the way here. So now they have a piggyback, or I don't know what it's called, a splitter. I don't know, it goes all the way here out to there and then back to the box. Alright, now walk over to the other side from this. This is a right hand drive, so you US folks and stuff. The ground, don't worry about these color cables, they're just really color, so but as long as you don't mix it up, that's fine. Okay, this is the slot here, which is a third one. The third one is actually I use the MMI radio because that's a 20 amp volt, and I just bought this from the Radio Shack or J-Car in Australia. I think it's called a fuse gap, or fuse holder gap, whatever. And then it's leaked all the way to these two cables. One is constant 12 volts here, 12 volts, and one is the ACCC or double C, sorry, 12 volt, and then that's to the camera itself. The rest is quite straightforward because there's a rear camera. You can have a front camera later on. This white one, that's only if you have a manual car for your A4 Q5s. I think it's all automatic. And then this one, the purple one, power to the cam. That is actually powers the rear camera, which is, I don't know where the heck it is. I don't know where the heck it is. Here it is. Yeah. So look, I'll probably might share this later, but if you've been YouTubing, that is the instructions for the 2017, and the rest is the same. It's just this one's plugs to the camera. Apparently the negative, you don't really have to plug that in for ground. It works fine. I guess I can do a quick demonstration. I should have done that. Walk over to the car. I hope this is really useful because it's one of those things that if you don't. Anyway, start the car up. I got one of those comfort access. That's awesome. That's my dash cam. So there it is. There, see, the unit is blinking red. If it's red, it means it's actually good. That's what the instruction says. We put on in reverse. Boop. You hear that click? There was a click there, and there you are. That's the camera. Hello. I won't put my face in it. There you go. Plug it in there, and it actually uses the dynamic. So watch. Whoa. Look at that. And yeah. So yeah. Good luck to everyone. Hopefully this actually answers the problem. Okay, it's all done now, and this should now come up. Awesome. The dynamic lines work. Also, you gotta make sure that since I'm on the right hand side drive, hand, you gotta make sure the wires go through down below. You gotta make sure all the way along the car at the bottom there. It's all tucked in, and it's all the boot. And this is now the new. Let's see if I can get some light into it. There you go. Yeah, so you only got a little bit. Does work. And yeah, the lines go through all the way here, there, and it just makes it. Okay, so you really have to go through this side. I was gonna plan to go through this way and through up and through up and there. Nope. You'll be very short and you'll be really pissed off. And there you go. The little unit is actually in behind here. Yeah, oh my god, that took like 4 or 5 hours, only 4 hours it did. Yeah, it's just a lot of little shit. Okay, talk to you later.